Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I remember myself, great Johnsonkeyz. Alright, so I want to quickly show you a very nice stuff. I'll be in the key of F major. Right, so it goes like this. As though this, so there's this stuff we do. Sorry. Okay, sorry. I had an issue with the sustain pedal right there. Okay, so what am I playing? So there's this stuff. We actually do this before every 736, and it goes like this. I'll just call out the notes. For the 4 we have is a 4-3-2-1-7-3-6 movement. So for the 4 we have a B flat on the left, on the right we have a D and F. So that goes. Then to 3 on the left you have a A. So okay, I said B flat here, right? So here we have a A on the left, we have a G, C, E. Then for the 2 chord we have a G on the left, we have a F, B flat and D on the right. Then to 1 we have a F on the left, we have a E, A, C on the left. Then for the 7 chord, is it that you do? Or so depending on what you feel good with. So for my 7 chord, so you do E on the left, then on the right you do D, G and B flat, or D, G and B, anyone you feel good with. Then our 3 chord, we're gonna have a and G on the left. Then on the right you have a C sharp, F, A, C. Right. So then to our 6 chord, so which is a D, A, E on the left, and then on the right you have a C, E, F, G. So don't forget to follow me for more. God bless you. Bye.